Hey, everyone! Welcome to today's video where we are going to dive into the fascinating history and culture of sushi. If you love sushi or want to learn more about this iconic Japanese cuisine, you've come to the right place. So, let's start with the basics. What is sushi? Sushi is a Japanese dish that is made with vinegared rice and combined with seafood, vegetables, or other ingredients. The dish has a long and storied history, and has evolved over time into the many variations we see today. Now, let's talk about the origins of sushi. Sushi can be traced back to the 2nd century AD in Southeast Asia, where people would wrap fish in rice to preserve it. It wasn't until the 8th century AD in Japan, however, that sushi began to take on its modern form. During this time, sushi was consumed as a way to preserve fish and as a source of protein for Japanese people. As sushi became more popular, chefs began to experiment with new ingredients and techniques. In the 19th century, Edo-style sushi emerged in Tokyo, which is the style of sushi that we are most familiar with today. This style of sushi features bite-sized pieces of fish on top of a small mound of vinegared rice, often served with soy sauce and wasabi. Now, let's talk about some interesting facts and stories about sushi. Did you know that in Japan, it is considered a sign of disrespect to mix wasabi into your soy sauce? Or that the world's most expensive sushi costs over $1,000 per piece and is topped with gold leaf and caviar? While sushi is delicious, it's important to remember that it is also a healthy food option. Sushi is low in calories, high in protein, and is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. Sushi is a dish with a rich and fascinating history and culture. From its humble origins as a way to preserve fish to the multi-billion-dollar industry it is today, sushi has truly evolved over time. And with its many health benefits, there's no reason not to indulge in a little sushi every now and then. So, next time you're at a sushi restaurant or even making it at home, take a moment to appreciate the long and interesting history behind this delicious dish. And don't forget to try out different types of sushi, like nigiri, maki, and sashimi. Before we end this video, I want to share a few tips to ensure that you are consuming sushi in a healthy way. First, choose sushi made with fresh, high-quality ingredients. Avoid sushi that has been sitting out for a long time or sushi that has been made with low-quality fish. Second, watch your portion sizes. While sushi is generally low in calories, it's easy to overdo it and consume too many calories in one sitting. Stick to 1 or 2 rolls and balance your meal with a side of edamame or miso soup. Be mindful of your soy sauce consumption. Soy sauce is high in sodium, which can be harmful to your health if consumed in excess. Use it sparingly and choose low-sodium soy sauce if possible. Oh, and one more thing before we go. If you're feeling adventurous, try making sushi at home. It may seem intimidating at first, but it's actually a lot of fun and a great way to impress your friends and family. You can find sushi making kits and ingredients at most Asian grocery stores or online. Just be sure to follow food safety guidelines and handle raw fish properly. And remember, sushi is just one part of a healthy diet. Be sure to eat a variety of foods and balance your meals with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. And don't forget to stay active and get enough sleep to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Also, if you're looking for a healthier alternative to traditional sushi rolls, consider trying out sushi bowls. Sushi bowls typically feature all the same delicious ingredients as traditional sushi rolls, but without the added calories and carbs from the rice. Instead, the ingredients are served in a bowl with a bed of lettuce or other leafy greens. You can customize your sushi bowl with your favorite ingredients like fresh fish, avocado, cucumber, and more. Another great option for a healthy sushi alternative is sashimi. Sashimi is simply fresh, raw fish sliced into thin pieces and served on a plate. It's a great option for those who want to enjoy the delicious flavors of sushi without the added calories from the rice and other ingredients. Just be sure to choose high-quality, fresh fish from a reputable source. Always be mindful of your own health needs and any food allergies or dietary restrictions you may have. Many sushi restaurants offer vegetarian or gluten-free options, and it's always a good idea to communicate your needs with the restaurant staff. One more thing to keep in mind is the sustainability of the seafood used in your sushi. Overfishing and unsustainable fishing practices have led to the decline of many fish populations. When choosing sushi, Opt for seafood that has been sustainably sourced and harvested. Look for certifications like the Marine Stewardship Council, MSC, or the Aquaculture Stewardship Council, ASC, to ensure that the seafood used in your sushi is environmentally friendly. By choosing sustainable seafood, you're not only helping to protect our oceans and the fish populations within them, but you're also supporting the livelihoods of fishermen and communities that depend on them. In conclusion, sushi is not only a delicious and culturally significant dish, but it can also be a healthy and sustainable part of your diet. By following some simple tips, such as choosing high-quality ingredients, watching your portion sizes, and being mindful of your soy sauce consumption, you can enjoy sushi in a way that is both delicious and good for you. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon for more tips and insights into health and wellness.